Hello everyone, my name is Harman and I'm a proud student of Kanya Mahavidyalaya. For 140 glorious years, Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar, the autonomous and heritage institution of India, has been the beacon of women's education. KMV is at the forefront embracing the transformative vision of India's new education policy 2020. By becoming the first autonomous women college under GNDU, KMV has taken the lead yet again by fully implementing new education policy 2020. KMV's commitment to excellence has earned it numerous prestigious accolades, including Heritage Status, Star College Status, Curie and Fisk Grant, and recognition as an institution's Innovation Council with a 4.5 star rating. Under autonomy, the syllabus of all courses has been designed to align with the demands of 21st century job market, emphasizing skill-based teaching and compulsory internships in every program. KMV is the first college in this region to adopt an internationally accepted credit system across all undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Recognizing the importance of holistic development, KMV offers flexible learning pathways, including the option of 4-year honors programs, and is the only college to offer 5-year integrated programs in English, Commerce, Mathematics, and Physics. Interdisciplinary courses broaden students' horizon, and certificate programs enhance employability. Furthermore, KMV provides free, credit-based value-added programs focusing on important life skills and personality enhancement in each semester. KMV is committed to bridging the gap between academia and industry. New age job-oriented programs such as BBA, Airlines and Airport Management, BVOC Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, BVOC Hospitality and Tourism, BSc Medical Lab Technology, with strong emphasis on practical training and skill development, ensure students are industry ready. The college actively supports student research and startups, fostering an entrepreneurial spirit. Through strong industry integration and collaborations with top corporates, KMV provides excellent national as well as international on-campus placement opportunities, with many students being recently placed at USA and Europe at a very high pay packages up to 70 lakhs. KMV's progression data is equally imposing, and many KMVites have made it to USA, including Boston University, Harvard University, Northeastern University, Rutgers University, and Portland University. KMV believes in providing a global perspective as it has established collaborations and MOUs with prestigious foreign universities across the US, Europe, and Canada. Through teacher and student exchange program and visiting faculty from abroad, KMV students gain invaluable international exposure and learn diverse languages like French, English, and Spanish from native speakers. Alongside academic reforms, KMV has implemented significant examination reform focused on reducing student burden and ensure fair evaluation. This includes a 30% internal assessment, compact exam schedules, continuous evaluation, and timely declaration of results. Students also benefit from a robust grievance redressal mechanism. Degrees are awarded by Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. KMV goes beyond academics, nurturing holistic development as the campus boasts excellent facilities for physical and mental well-being with state-of-the-art infrastructure, having highly sophisticated labs, high-grade instruments, and smart classrooms. Excellent on-campus hostel equipped with modern amenities is a home for women from all states of India. KMV continues to be the guiding light for many by empowering young women with world-class education for generations to come.